Okay, let's see here. So we've added all the sprites, but they're not showing up yet. grab. So its position is 1960 by 664 in our world. It is correct, but it might be its position here? No, we did set it to its position. I'm not seeing it though. Set this z index to 1 for now. Let's see if I changed anything. No, not yet. Temp sprite is equal to tile counter sprite, which is this here. Oh, you know what it is? It is there, but because we set our new tile map to have no visibility. Yeah, double game dev. I'd love to do it twice a day if I can, but sometimes I get super lazy. But yeah, ideally twice a day would be awesome. Alright, so we're gonna have to figure out, I mean, what we could do is technically just make this texture here invisible, like the texture itself. Let's do that. Yo, how's it going, Hot Bagels? Oh, I love that, I love your profile picture. I love that, was it Midnight Gospel? It was a great show. It's actually one of my favorites on Netflix. Alright, so we can go back into our record tile here. We'll put the transparent square instead. Let's delete this. And now it should work as how we intended it to. Hopefully. No, not yet. Let's see what's going on here. Indeed. Whoa, are we bugging out here? What's going on? What the hell? Restart it. Nice, glad you like it. It's the, what is it? Why didn't this close? It's the Stream Beat Synthwave playlist on Spotify. I hope it's, wait, what's it called? Yeah, Stream Beats. It should be for streams, I hope. Alright, let's try that again. We have our modulate, okay. So nothing should be different, and it should still place the white tiles, if anything. Okay. So it does place itself. The only issue is that it's not bound to the where is it? So now it's a lot more funky now, and it plays like, I mean, we could do this. I'm trying to think what would be the best way, because basically what I'm trying to get is we record what sort of skill this is. You might see these like little pink spots right here, and that's me recording like each tile that we were on. But right now it's like it's spamming all over the place, and yeah, we don't want that. I'm trying to think, what should we do here? We definitely want to change this global position to equal world to map rather than. I wonder why it worked here but not. Let's see. Tile is equal to position plus 0, -8. I mean, we do want to do this plus vector 2. But we want it to be bound to the grid, and right now it's just going all over the place. If I'm not mistaken. What did we do here? Oh, okay. It was only the temp counter that we were recording originally. So we want to do this for everything. Just going to look at our player code real quick. Yeah. The first game I tried making in Godot was heavily inspired by synthwave. Like whenever I played synthwave, I was like just in the mood to code. It was like a sci-fi game. It was like a sci-fi ninja game, and yeah, I was listening to a whole lot of like Kavitsky, I think that's his name. All of his songs got me like pumped. Yeah, that's true. It could be a mechanic. I was thinking. I thought of something similar. I have to mess around with it. I really like how like. How like just debugging allows us to find cool mechanics. Like I remember yesterday, or like a few days ago, I had some issue with the viewport, and our whole game was flipped upside down while we were playing. And I thought, hey, like this might be a really cool mechanic. Like somewhere in the game, like you're in the upside down world or something like that. Do I know pilot music stuff? No. What is that? Switched to a thermos because my water kept getting really hot in my room. All right, so player position here. Let's see. Place record tile. So we grab our global position. What we could do here is technically we could record, like before we even place the tile, we could say we'll say var grid position is equal. Move this controller. And say grid position is equal to this here, record tile back at cell B of global position. How do I not know about Pilot? Maybe I do. Or like, I'm not too good with names. I would play them right now, but I'm like so afraid of playing stuff that isn't like, free to use. Yeah, yeah. I probably don't know the name. All right, so grid position. So we grab our grid position, and then over here, whenever we place our temp sprites, we're just gonna say temp sprite dot global position is equal to our record tile dot world or map to world of grid position. Now I'm hoping we might have to actually add grid position record tiles. No, actually it doesn't matter because it's in our world. So that's there. Hopefully that's all we have to do. Cannot convert argument 1 from int. Grid position should be a vector too. Vector tile map to world. I mean, let's try vector 2. Wait, no. Grid position is a vector. So what's going on? Get cell. Oh, wait, whoops. Right. Oh, there we go. Okay. So now it's more consistent, and we'll get rid of those labels. I don't know about YouTube, but usually they're until you're a partner. I see. Yeah, I'll have to. I think I'm more concerned with YouTube at the moment, just because that's where I'm getting all my views lately. So let's see. Hey, how's it going, ZD? All right, so we'll make our what's it called? Debug. Tile counter sprite. We'll make this add some alpha to it. Be like 100. I do want to make sure that we're not repeating it over and over. Maybe we'll make it disappear over time. Right, there we go. And then what I want to do is when we dash, we'll manipulate these tiles here to like increase. That way we can count it. To increase in alpha, or maybe we can even change the colors. Let's see. So what we'll do here is I think maybe we'll add the temp value or the temp sprite here, but then let me see. Yeah, we'll put it up here. Okay, let me think. put it up there, and then in our dash state, I think we're gonna get rid of basically almost all of this. And all we'll do is we'll set var temp sprite. Honestly, we might want to keep this here, var temp sprite. And then we'll do is temp sprite is temp sprite dot modulate, I believe, dot a plus equals 10. We're also going to want to record this for each of our dashes. So every time we exit a dash state, we want to make sure that we reset this. For now, I think what we'll do same way we reset this value here. I'll just say whenever we're in the dash state, we'll have to record this number. So let's put this. We'll do 0. Yeah. And we'll just add to this. Maybe, honestly, we'll probably want to make it 1, actually. Because at the start of our dash, we already want to start using it. Tile dash modifier. Something like that, and then this is mainly for debugging, so we might want to keep this maybe in another class. Sure. Nothing's happening just yet. Let's see. Dot modulate a. Okay. At this point, it's already -1, so maybe we don't want to do this here. We might want to put it inside of this function here. So we can match our state while we're in this let's see, -1. Yeah, we'll do that. And we can get rid of all of this, really. There we go. I don't know why it's black. Though. Why is it, that's not what I wanted to do. Maybe 5 is too much. Modulate actually might be in... I think it might be from 0 to 1. So let's do times 0.05 maybe. I think that should fix it. There we go. It is not as noticeable. Let's try 0.1 here. It's a little more noticeable. Let's try 0.2. Yeah, that's a little better. And what we'll do is we'll I think we should assign a color to it. Oh wait, let's try. Do 0.15. We'll say I think we could do I think we'll do blue. Something like that. Although, I wonder why we want to keep the same modulate, so I think we could just ignore the alpha value and hope that's good enough. No, that isn't good enough. So at this point, it's default. So what we'll do is, honestly, what we could do is just put our tile modifier here. There we go. Blue's a little hard to see though, unless we start out with a better number. Yeah, now we'll know exactly how far his dash is. And just to make sure, let's count it here. So we go from 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's really only 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I guess our dash is only 6 tiles. Oh, actually, no, it's 7 tiles. If we start here, we need to make sure that we include this tile here. Maybe we can reset that to fix this last tile. But yeah, it goes from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's bring this back to do 0.2, 0.12, and our initial, change our initial alpha value to be slightly lower. And we want it slightly higher. That's good enough. Don't want to spend too much time on it. Okay. And then, honestly, what I think we should do is every time we enter a new room, we should just get rid of the tile map, clear it out. Or every time we die. Actually, no, yeah. Every time we enter a new room, we'll reset it. Oh, bounces would be great to record too. So yeah, we'll make bounces pink or something. Maybe jumps would be green. So hard to count. I need to add, like, I think, you know what I should do? What I'm going to do is make this white tile. We're gonna add like we'll make this more gray. Fill this in, and then we'll make outside white, so I can actually tell them apart. And who knows, maybe we'll add this as a new mechanic. So, okay, wait. It's hard to see over there because we're pretty dark. Let's go earlier. Yeah, that's a lot better. So yeah, this is, we start here at 0. Or technically, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It seems like certain times when we dash, we get a different value. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then, like, when we're in the air, it seems like it's a different value. Like right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Yeah, so when we're in the air, we actually get 7 across. Wonder why. Yeah, I mean, it might be our friction or something. Dash across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we stay at the same exact position and dash. Oh, it's the same thing. I just dumb. You know, I just realized we don't really have to manipulate the modulate. If we have these like borders around it, it would be easy to count anyway. So I'm gonna remove that, and then we're gonna handle this for every single state. So say, um, and we could keep this as what did we set it as? Let's just try 0.3. We'll handle bounce, we'll handle jump, we'll handle do we want to do fall? I don't think we need to really handle fall. I think these are our main ones. We should do fall. Might as well. Level manager. I think we could do something like this. Color. You can like pick through these colors. So our jump will be, let's do green. I love this. Our fall. You know what, let's make our fall green, and our jump will be... I'm like way too dedicated to this. I'll make our jumps blue and our dashes pink or purple or something. Like a hot pink. Deep pink. Dash is deep pink, jump is green, or we'll do fall is green. Jump will be blue. And bounce will be... bounce will be red. Oh yeah. And in terms of setting the modulate, I think honestly we could just make our record tile have that modulate. I mean alpha. Oh, that's so cool. No, thank you. And what I think is cool about this is that maybe if I have people playtest my game, maybe I can figure out, like, I don't know, we can make some really cool, I don't know, like QA system out of this. I'm not sure, but like recording all of these movements would be great. And what's great about this is that, like, I mean, I wouldn't be able to put this onto our tile. I mean, we technically could, but the main reason why I would want this is, like, you'll see here. I know exactly now that, maybe this needs to be moved up one tile. Well, it definitely needs to be moved up one tile or two tiles even, because that's where we're always dying. So, should probably add like a button to like reset reset the top map in case I want to see how something plays. Oh yeah, we're gonna do it so that every time we enter a room, but I think the button wouldn't hurt either. Oh my god. Yeah, this room definitely needs to be redone. Do I need the sprites to be white? Are you talking about the character sprite? You know what's crazy? It feels like these rooms are. I feel like it was meant to be. Like, I fixed up the new movement. Like, I made the player a whole lot faster, and it seems like that's what our game needed. Like, I feel like I'm dying a whole lot less now. Oh, I just realized we could do this. This makes the level so much easier. Originally, you had to go from... You had to, like, dash... dash like that, then jump over. But now you could just easily go like that. This was actually like one of the first rooms that I thought was like really clever. But now it's just an easy room. Let's see what we can do about that. Oh shit. Alright, so now that we have that working, I think the next thing on our agenda is to actually start redesigning these rooms. It's gonna be pretty tough. Let's start from the beginning. I think this is like the main room that I'm concerned with right now, so let's start with this room. So like even let me add a button to reset this tile map here. I have a feeling most people are going to dash here. Let's see. I think most people are going to do that. So we might want to bring this over to the right a bit. And bring this over to the right a bit too. So distracting. I think we're gonna want to change this from a bit too. Let's see. For sure, we need to get rid of these. And I think our dash from here to here is it's a little too much. Either we can get rid of it, or we can add some like what do you think? Do something like that. Did you say the player sprites? Wait, I keep dying here. Alright, yeah, dashing. Can't get across dashing. Either we make it shorter, or we like force the player to dash forward a bit just to catch this spring here. Try something like that. I'll leave it like that for now. so cold out. All of these rooms seem fine. The only issue is that each of these rooms are 64 tiles or 64 pixels wider than our like standard resolution. Did we already fix this room? I don't think we did. I think I want to fix this room too. Let's see here. I want our dash to be. I wonder. We just. Yeah, we could technically just do that. Like all the way in the right. We might want to move this. I think this is the first time we introduced oh no, it's not. It's not. So I guess this would be a learning lesson for people, because they have already been introduced to the dash. And they need to make sure that they can catch it, or they need to use their dash before. So leave it the way it is. How this plays out. Technically, you do have to move back a little bit. So yeah, I'm trying to remove all elements. Yeah, I want to remove all elements of having to move back. So let's edit that too. Awesome, thanks, man. Which room was it? This one. We are still slightly moving back, and from dashing, let's see again. Yeah, we could probably bring this one one tile forward, and then we could bring this one all the way over here if we wanted to. Let's try that. So I do want to give the player the ability to not have to. I mean, they could do that, or they technically could just. Let's see. No, they can't jump up. They do have to bounce from there, or they could just go across and jump like that. So this seems a little too pixel perfecty, in my opinion, or frame perfect. We might bring this one a little closer. Let's try that again. I mean, if you hold there, it's fine. We might even want to put spikes. Make it a little harder. You do hit those spikes though. And wait, let's try one more thing. I wonder you can just jump over. No, you can't. Let's try it one more time. No, you can't. I guess that's why I placed that that spike there. You have to dash. But yeah, if we do put spikes on that left side right here, like right here where I'm climbing, we might want to bring it closer. Because getting onto this with the bounce right here, like you have to do it almost perfectly. So let's bring these forward a bit. Try that. Yeah, I think that's fair. Can we get across? Ugh. We won't be able to get across. Let's just try it here. Keep having to. Let's just move our player. Can I share the movement code? So I can show you how it works. I don't share the code just because I'm like trying to make this a commercial game. But yeah, if you have any questions about how it works, for sure. Is there something in particular you want to see? So what? No, this doesn't work. Try this again. Well, we'll keep it the way it is, and we'll see how people play with it. Oh, there's one thing I want to test out too. A new dash, can we get up there? I don't think we can. We might have to bring this... Unless we jump. Nope, not even. Yeah, we'll make this a little wider here. test one more thing here. You know what I really like about this is that we do have some options for like speedrunning. So like technically you could take you could take this path, go over here, jump down, go here, and then you get your respawn here. But you could also just jump here, go all the way to the top, dash upwards. Kind of like I need to have more mechanics like that. I mean more level design around doing that. So jump here. Ooh. Crap. Oh, the thing is, you actually can't, unless maybe. Like dashing from here, you can't get across unless. Wait, let me try that one more time. You might be able to just dash. Yeah, you could technically just do that if you're good. Whoa. I think we're gonna have to fix the grab mechanic here. I think if you press grab right as you're bouncing. Wait, not as you're bouncing. If you go from the fall state to the bounce state, let me try this again. Go like, no. Yeah, like right there. I'm not entirely sure what's going on. I should have looked at our debug right there. Try that again. How did I do it? It was from holding the grab button and then holding left at the same time. I'm assuming I assume it has to do with the grab button, but there's no way of knowing unless we get it. Maybe we'll just ignore it for now. Or maybe we'll just make sure that if the player is entering the bounce state... What the hell, man? What is going on? Now it won't show up. Well, I need to make sure that whenever it does happen, I stop playing immediately and see what happened there. I'm gonna want to fix this room too. Or maybe not. No, it's too perfect. Let's drop one spike there. You know what I should do? I should make it so that our like that bounce, this thing, we should make it a mechanic that it could punish the player, but the player could also use it to like gain speed. So like for example, dashing downwards like this, you could run faster, or instead of jumping like this, you know, sometimes you'll just want to do that. You know, for the speedrunners. I think I'm gonna call it there. I think most of our levels are fine the way they are. Now that I've played through them with our new speed, the camera movement might be a little weird. I'll have to figure out what to do there. But honestly, yeah, we could keep it the way it is. I think the next step is just to have people play test it. I'll redesign this room, and I think I'll release another version of the game tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow, with the new UI and stuff. Yeah, thanks for watching.